And to call on our top 1 in personal sales, hihingi lang ako ng backup sa asawa ko. I just like to call on, bago ko tawagin yung top 1 in personal sales, gusto ko pong tawagin yung top 1 po ng aking kumpanya. At yung top 1 din po ng aking puso. Mali, hindi ba top 1? Only 1 ng aking puso. Let us all welcome our top 1 worldwide, my wife, my crush, Coach Emery Aguilar. Thank you so much for being here.
Nakaka-excite ko lang magtawag ng top 1 pag top 1 ka na. Because sabi ko, actually si Coach na mag-i-intro magtatawag, but it's always a privilege na magtawag because it's not easy to be a top 1. So yung tatawagin natin top 1, alam ko yung anong pakiramdam, anong pressure, ano yung pinagdaanan nito bago to maging diamante. But of course, before tawagin yung top 1, let me take this opportunity sa lahat ng mga awardees, congratulations.
Thank you so much po!
Hindi naging madali yung journey papunta dito, but you made it all. And of course, pati yung pagpunta natin dito, hindi naging madali dahil sa bagyo, kaya nakaka-proud na Elite Pro tayo.
Yes!
And nagbabagyo man, kahit saan parang daming parte ng Pilipinas, and I would like also take this opportunity to thank our chairman for being with us here, diba? Grabe! And of course, everything will not be possible without our leaders and to our grand mentor for making this possible. Thank you, and ready na ba kayo matawag yung top 1?
Yes!
I think merong special announcement ang ating grand mentor for the top 1 na ngayon niya lang gagawin tonight!
Wow! Oh my God!
Ngayon niya lang ito gagawin. Medyo kagagaling ko lang sa taas, pero tinawag niya to sa akin. Sabi ko, wait lang, bababa ako. Hindi pwede hindi ka ito ma-witness. So again, our top 1 for personal sale.
Go up on stage, come on. Wala nang mahabang introduction. You deserve to be here on stage tonight. You deserve this spotlight. And you deserve every moment of this Linjoy Acosta. Come here on stage because this stage is yours. Thank you for inspiring all of us. Salamat, Linjoy! And then this one. Yeah. And just to make it more special, we just want to make you feel special for inspiring all of us. Thank you. Alam ko madami ka ng sash, but I hope you get to be appreciate this is not isang beses ko pa lang naman ito nagamit. But starting today, it's yours.
Grabe! 35,000 words! Galing pa kay mentor lang.
Grabe, Adeline! Gano'ng kabigat! Grabe! Congratulations sa lahat ng top and personal sale! What?
Grabe po! Thank you so much po, Chairman, Grad Mentor, sa mga coaches po. Grabe po, pangarap ko lang po ito. Kaya huwag naman po kayo titigil mangarap kasi ang pangarap niyo, maaabot niyo rin yan.
Yes!
Grabe yung lakas ng kabog ng dibdib ko ngayon. Pero grabe. Grabe si Lord. Lahat ng nangyayari sa'yo may ibig sabihin. May dahilan. Kaya lahat ng mga sumusuko na o pasumuna, ilaban mo yan.
Tama!
Kasi darating yung time. Lahat ng gusto mo, lahat ng pangarap mo para sa pamilya mo, maaabot mo rin. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, Grandmother, at lahat ng mga coaches. Grabe! Kasi, dati lang kami nasa likod mo. Sabi niya pa, sana magtapon ako.
Ay, grabe!
Ito pala, simple pala.
Yes!
Sino kaya yung magtatapon?
Ah!
Dahil sumunod ako sa'yo,
Right talagang woman.
lahat ng mga babae dapat sinusunod.
Yes!
Respeto, minamahal.
Thank you so much po. Ayan. Coach Armin, thank you so much po. Ikaw po nagsalba sa amin, Coach Armin. Thank you so much. Totoo po pala yung vision ko.
Ito talaga.
Grabe yan.
Guys, once again, palakpakan natin our number one personal sales, Linjoy Acosta! And grabe!
Tinawag po natin yung top 3. Sana pag tinatawag natin sila, tulungan nyo ako ha. I think they deserve na ma-acknowledge sila. No?
Yes!
They deserve to be appreciated. Do you agree? So that when your time comes, na ikaw naman, yung aakyat ng stage, mararamdaman mo din kung ano ibig sabihin ng na-appreciate yung mga efforts mo. So can you help me make them feel appreciated tonight? Is that okay? Because the next person that I'm gonna call on, ito naging inspirasyon to sa Elite Pro, and more than that, naging inspirasyon to sa inyong lahat ngayong gabi. This is one of the few moments na nagkakaroon kami ng chance ang nakakapasok sa rank ng top 2 ay yung bago. Sino dito yung mga bisita pa lang, taas yung kamay? Bisita pa lang yan. Grabe. I would like you to imagine for a moment that 90 days from now, you will be also earning ₱1 million. This woman made a new record in our group. Ang nanay ng 5. Sabi ko sa kanya, bakit hindi ka mapigilan? What keeps you inspired? Why are you like that? Ang dami mong in-overtake ka. Ang dami mong in-overtake ka. And why do you keep on staying strong? And she told me, upline, 5 yung anak ko. Pero so what ang our tattoo? Linjoy Acosta! Parang 6 yata yung anak ko. 5 ba talaga o 6?
Grabe! Ayan, congratulations! Grabe yung mga tinatawag ko ng Tordan. Sino kaya yung susunod? Next Elite Pro 9.
So pag tinawag na yung top 2, sino po yung...
Joy Acosta! One of our newest platinum earner.
Ang malapit doon, Coach SG, bago din to eh.
Oo, pero
Ibig sabihin, kahit bago ka, pwede kang kumita ng minimum 250,000.
correct.
Ganon? Diba? Ayan, photo opportunity with our top 10 best of the best and top 14 best of the best worldwide. Okay, our next platinum earner.
Ayun, si Coach Samir.
Ayun, si Coach Samir. Yes, eh.
Grabe, si Coach Samir. Ayan, nag-visit na.
Congratulations po. Ayan, congratulations. Yung mag-aakala na 5 na yung anak ng magandang babae ng pangso. Diba?
Na.
Ay! Grabe naman.
Ayan, grabe guys, alam niyo ba na ang coach na nag-guide din kay Lynn Joy ay si Coach Charmaine Rosette.
Grabe na. Kaya dito sa program, kapag nag-enroll ka at kapag tinutukan ka, magpatutok na lang din talaga.
Grabe, no?
Grabe,
Pero
no?
masaya din kayo, Coach Jay. For sure, isa si Coach Charmaine doon.
Sa pinakamasaya. Grabe.
Yes.
And syempre, ayan, anak course, kay Nash.
Grabe naman yung viewer na.
Ayan, syempre, rarampa yan. Pa! Hey!
Coach.
Wow! Hey! Yes! The face of the night. And down. And for the face of the night, for female category, we have, walang iba kundi ang kanyang misis. Diba?
Grabe! Ikaw marunong pa?
Yan, and syempre, Rafa. Rarampa daw, Ate Lito yan. Sino mag-aakala na naman na ang anak ng babae sa Mitsuko, diba? Pa! Ako, may pang-aning mamaya. And now, for the LGBTQIA face of the night, we have Kyle!
Ay! Ay! Grabe naman!
Yan! Yan!
Go, Kyle!
Kasalanan ng corona kay Kyle. Tunay kong ganda sa... Yeah! Diba? O sinong nagsabing PJMP yan? Diba? Let's go! Let's go! Yes! Congratulations, guys! And right now, ayan, picture muna yung stars of the night, yan, as a whole. Kasi at this point of time, at this point of time, mag-proceed naman tayo sa raffle draw. And thank you so much po once again, Coach Charmaine Rose Aguilar. Ayan. Yun! And now, let's proceed to raffle. Ilan ulit yung mananalo?